Good evening, dear students. Today we will have a little bit different class for the comprehension, the last lesson in the revision. Okay. Next week we will start, coming Monday we will start grammar revision. Okay. So we'll try out a creative type of class, especially for the sake of clarity in writing down the question answer that I am going to give you. So it's more of writing than speaking. So just follow. So chapter 13, harvest time. It's already revised. Now we'll go to the question answer comprehension part. Okay. Now you see here, just focus on the answers. Okay. You got comprehension A. Okay. Now complete the table using information from the page. Okay. So the first column costs for the first one. Pet animals were allowed. So the effect is the barn and the shed became a zoo because the pet animals were allowed in there. For the second one, to pluck the fruit. So the boys made a hook and laid a company. The cause effect was plucking of the fruits, that is apple. In the third one, freedom being the source. Freedom being the source. All these phrases are taken from a book. Okay, you see here in this place you have got freedom being the source. Okay, so the same is written here. For the first one, pet animals were allowed. Pet animals were allowed. So for the town, second one, to pluck the fruits. Okay, see, leading the boys who made a hook and ladder company to pluck the fruit. So all these I have taken from the text. Okay. So the fourth one, everyone sang for grandma. The effect was she insisted on shaking hands with everyone. Everyone sang for grandma. You see, she grandma insisted on shaking hands with every one of Joy's boys. Okay. So this is the effect. So comprehension A is over. Now we'll go to the B. Okay. The writing is with a pencil because the book, you listen to my voice and write the answer. Just check what I have written also. Okay. So first one, what kind of school was Plumfield? Okay. So you write in sentence. I only write the answer in short. Space is less, no? So the Plumfield was a happy home. Happy home with care and kindness. Write A-N-D. Okay. Care and kindness. A sort of boys paradise. Okay, all this taken from the first part of your book. Okay, so the Plumfield was a school of a happy home with care and kindness, a sort of boys paradise. First question answer over. Second one, what was the season like during apple picking? So It was a season like mellow October, where apples are harvested. Apples are harvested. Okay. Third question. What were the duties of the different groups during apple picking? The duties of the different groups during apple picking were then you are plucking, collecting, dividing and packing apples. Okay. These were the duties. Plucking, collecting, dividing and packing. Write in a sentence. I will only give you the answer. Because there is small space, don't write much. Now fourth question. What did grandma think of the gifts she received? The gift was in the form of singing. Okay. Something new and happiest day of life. Okay. Not like getting material gifts. Everybody gathered together singing in a different atmosphere made the grandma happy. The happiest day of life. Okay. The happiest day of life. Fifth one. What do grandma's birthday celebrations tell us about the people in the passage? Okay. So the people in the passage were like a family of joy. A family of joy. The paradise of boys. Okay. So it tells that the people in the passage are a family of joy and the paradise of boys. Okay. And the last question, personal. What do you think is special about eating outdoor or going for a picnic? So eating outdoor or going for a picnic, you get fresh air. Okay, fresh sunlight or moonlight and free air movement, open space. Then more space. Okay, not like a building or in a room. You got an open ground, a meadow. Okay, yeah, apple garden, whatsoever. Then silent and green surrounding. Silent and green surrounding. Surrounding is very silent because no bus, no vehicle, no market. So gardens, picnic spots are mostly silent. If you go to a park, children park will be noisy. But like this, apple garden, meadow, mountain areas, always silent. And green, lot of trees, grasses, plants, even flowers. So you enjoy them, okay? Climb on the trees, go around, run around. So this is the special part of picnic. So with this background, you can modify the answer if you written. You can check whether it's right or you can also copy it fresh. Okay, thank you. All the best.